Ugh. Yes, sir.
It's called the cam cat.
My back is against the wall. More
Gang, what it is? Mook in the V, feeling great right now, man. Out here back at home, man. Back in the mill town, man. If anybody who know me, man, y'all know this where I'm from. Of course, I was raised out in, you know, Illinois, Chicagoland area, you know, but this always gonna be home, man. This where all my family is, man. I love being out here. The feeling that I get from being out here is just unmatched, man. And today I'm out here for beautiful occasions, man. It is Mother's Day weekend. I got a grandmother that's about to be, you know, she close to 90. I don't even know her real age or if she already is 90, but she's in great health, great spirits, man. So we spending Mother's Day with her this year, 2022, just to document it. You know what I mean? Got my son out here. He always sleep. Y'all know how he coming. He'll wake up and get live in a little bit, man. But y'all know he always sleep. As soon as we get in the car, he falling asleep. You can take your do-rag off, get your brush and brush up, my boy.
Trying to ride, I gotta go get some gas.
Yes, sir.
They dropped this motherfucker off with nothing in it.
So I'm kind of rushing a little bit. Come on, bro, get up. Let's go.
Can you go with him, man?
Yes, sir. What's going on, huh?
What's up, man?
Man, this thing right here, man. I'm rushing the video. I ain't know he was gonna pull up on me in it, but I might as well go ahead and show y'all, man. Yes,
sir. Go run out of gas, Mook.
All right, man. All right, man. I got a little. Come on, Unc. You can't rush the video now.
Hey, you can rush the video. You can have the video all you want.
How you doing, baby?
I'm good. How you feeling?
Good. Where's the baby?
He in the car taking all day, man.
He right here?
Yeah, he right there.
We gotta stay. Come on, man. I keep him one thing. But you want to go with you?
Cam.
It's up to you. Huh?
Yeah, this joint sounds good. Hey, that's Dodge for you. We'll cut the camera on in a second, gang. We about to run and go grab some gas real quick. All right, man. Y'all see what I'm in, man. I actually got a video coming back home. My man Demon Time O, man. Shout out to you, man. We finna go ahead and knock that video out when I get back. But what's going on, cuz?
Man, cool
How you
as
feeling, man?
Yeah,
I ain't seen my boy in a minute, man.
Hell yeah, ready to get out here for the summer.
Yeah, man. What you got a YouTube channel still? You still?
I ain't even jump it off yet, man. It's still a work in
You got
progress.
room back there, Kim?
I really ain't. I'm finna
Huh?
do a podcast channel, actually, bro.
Oh yeah, well, you know I'm coming to make a feature then. What y'all gonna be talking about? Car stuff?
Car shit, y'all.
Okay, y'all definitely gotta
Mostly
come.
just the racing shit.
Yeah.
It's a little bit of shit going on the streets.
This your first time driving?
This?
Yeah.
It just got off the trailer, man. Literally like 30 minutes
Oh,
ago.
I see what time it is.
I'm the first
man.
motherfucker to drive it.
Alright. I see that. Real red eye. Real demon, I mean.
Real deal.
Sleepy guy back there. Yeah, man, we out here in the mill making moves, man.
Sounds good, damn.
Surprised you ain't go Mopar, man. Pops done had that dart in the garage our whole life.
Yeah. That's why I feel like that's the reason I ain't want to get in his lane. Yeah. Like, I'm actually put some gas in right here, but we don't make it.
Yeah, I got some foes coming for the Jeep next week. Middle of the week, and then I'm finna get a little rally stripe put on it, cause I got a wrap in mind that I want to get with it, but can't nobody find it right now. So I'm like, all right, I'm gonna just do something simple, kind of decent until I find my wrap. Get y'all walk around in this joint I'm listening to. Woo-wee.
Hellcat. He got a whole camera mount set up that he put on the Hellcat, and he be like filming races and shit.
Yeah, why he like it? Like a GoPro on the car? Yeah.
It's called Camcat.
Ooh-wee. Yes, sir. Alright, man, I'm finna chop it up with Cuz for a second. We finna gas this thing up. We might do a couple pulls in it, man. We gonna see. But yeah, man, y'all see, man. We out here in the demon, man. Back-to-back week, man. We out here in the demon, man. Yes, sir. That joint not even that loud, neither. Alright, man, we back, man. We came back from a little cruise. Cuz didn't want to, you know, step on it too hard, so I ain't get y'all too much of that driving footage. I'm gonna show y'all his whip though, man. He been out here doing this for a long before me. That M thing right there, you hear it growling. He say he'll take that demon right here with you. I don't know, I gotta see it. You know, I'm Dodge gang all day. Dodge Chevy gang all day. I don't know. Alpina, this your type of. My boy got an Alpina B6. Yeah. This his. I got a homie that got a M. What is that? I think he got an M3.
Okay.
He got M3. Yo, they raced in St. Louis. M got him. He's super tuned up though with that M. Smoked him. Got the big boys on there. Carbon fiber. You know what I mean? Got some stuff backed up. Yeah, man. Just touched down back home, man. Unc just went and copped the demon, so you know I had to come pull up on that, man, and get that action. I'm gonna show y'all what he got back there in the garage too, man. These guys been doing this way before. You know, I loved cars always, but they always have been doing it at a higher level than me, man. We used to be back there riding on the ATV. Ooh, you looking a little crispy there, brother, man. Ooh-wee. Let me see. Get in the light where I can see you over here, brother, man. Ooh-wee, that boy be stepping out crispy. Let me see the hands rub together. Yeah. But yeah, man. When I was your age, we used to have a ATV out here, and we used to be back there in the forest riding it. Me, him, and his brother. Yup.
Did you see like wild animals?
Yup, we was chasing a deer. Remember we was chasing that deer on the ATV?
Yeah, tell me about it. Still got the scars on it.
Oh my God, did we flip it over? I think we flipped it. No, we flipped it. We did. Yes, we did. Yeah, I'm driving.
I never flipped it.
Yes, we did. We flipped. You was driving when we flipped it. All four of us was on it. Me, you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we flipped it, chasing that deer, and we came up, went up that hill, and it flipped over. Think about all the weight that was on that thing. Alex, Josh, me, and Jake. My auntie's pulling off in the demon. It do. Nah, you take that muffler off though. That joint gone.
Man, that screams enough for me. I slammed it right here. It just tires just lean up, man.
I gotta go show them The other monster back here.
I told him he should have had them both out.
Yeah, you definitely supposed to pull that out, huh? I done bust this boy so many times on this rim right here, man. He ain't never been able to see me on this court, man. Look at this garage, y'all. I haven't seen a garage. Come on, man. Unc been doing this. Woo. Whenever you're ready to give it to me, man, I'm gonna take care of it.
That's the beast, man.
Can this take the demon?
I'm rolling with it, I think. On the highway, not on the track.
On the track?
On the track, I think this is on
This is a real track car.
956. Faster than everyone.
I guarantee you won't run 11 seconds on that car. Until you put E85, drop a pulley, and do all the necessary steps. You ain't gonna touch
If I change it over, yeah.
You got where the box at? Ooh. Yes, sir. It's real. Y'all see that? Real demon box. Ugh. Yes, sir. That's
Put
cold.
premium in there, right, Jake?
Nope.
Nah, we put 87 in there.
Come on, man.
I got 112.
Can you just put that in there, or do you have to?
That's the racing gas. Big slicks.
Yeah, put the other stuff in there.
Finna start him. Ooh-wee.
I think it's this way, right? Let me see. I might have left it on. Right, not stuck.
Come on. I don't always like the smell of gas. Yeah. Alright, gang, so man, I'm leaving from over my cousin crib right now, man. I don't get to see my boys too much no more, man. I stay forgetting something.
I just bust the bag though, my bad. Alright, bro.
right, family, man. We about to go to my grandma's house now, man. Little homie up, activated now, I think. Good. We about to go get some of this food, man. Finish enjoying this beautiful day out here, man. And yeah, man, see what other type of action I can bring y'all, man, while we out here, out and about, man. Me and little homie probably stay out here overnight. Do something out here, man. I don't know. We'll see how I'm feeling, but I'm gonna holler at y'all in a minute, man.